the t-shirt
And
man.
I guess too, man.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
Hi Shaurya, what are we doing today? So we went to Phoenix the other day and we happened to check Marks and Spencer's new collection, and we thought that let's do something really interesting for you guys. So when we were in college, we faced this problem a lot that we didn't know what lingerie to wear with what outfit. So here we're going to talk about what kind of lingerie you could pair with outfits and what would be the perfect solution for you guys. So let's get started on that, and we hope to solve a lot of your questions. So Marks and Spencer, as we all know, is a high fashion brand which caters to all your needs no matter what shape, size or occasion it may be. And we happened to check out their latest summer 2016 collection of lingerie, and we picked up a few things to show you guys. So we have a collection of all the different sort of lingerie which they have. Also, we will tell you with what you can wear what. And yeah, let's start with that. So before showing what we have for you, the very important thing is to know your perfect measurement, and we urge you to go and try their lingerie fitting service, which Akriti tried. How was your experience? So knowing your bra size is very important, and wearing a wrong fitted bra is not good. So you guys should really go to their store and check out what size you are. When we went there, they had put an inch tape around our underbust area. They checked what size we are. Then from that they figured out what A, B, C cup size we are. Once you know your size, they're gonna let you know what different sort of bras they have and what is gonna perfectly fit you. For me, it's plunge, and there are 3 different sets of bras. Either it can be a plunge or a balcony, or it can be a full cup. So they're gonna let you know what size suits you the best, and accordingly you can pick up your bra. So while we were going through their summer 2016 collection, we realized that it's for all age groups, and they had a lot of categories like daily wear and then their active range and also their sensual lingerie. So guys, it's like a whole wardrobe solution for all your needs, and we have something for every occasion. And we're gonna start with the first set of lingerie that we got. So the first category of lingerie that we have is this perfect fit everyday t-shirt bra. Now this sort of a bra is something that you could use on a daily basis because it's very soft and perfect to wear under a t-shirt. Because of this satin material, it would not show from within your t-shirt. So this is an underwire bra. Also, it has memory foam which actually molds to your shape. And why is it called memory foam is because it remembers your shape and molds perfectly and gives you a beautiful shape. Also, I like this bra because it's got nice lace wings. It looks beautiful. So we have another category of t-shirt bras which are called the sumptuously soft t-shirt bras. And why we picked this one up is because it's got a very soft material. So the cup of this one is going to be extremely soft and cotton. And what else, Shaurya? So it's full coverage if you see, so it will give you a very nice hold. Even if the wings of this bra is not satiny or lacy, so that would also give you a very nice hold. So it's perfect for a very comfortable sort of fit. So you could either go for the previous one or this one as an everyday t-shirt bra. So if you're somebody who does not like a lot of padding, then you could try the light as air bra, which would give you the effect of a pad but in a very breathable fabric. These bras look really gorgeous, and I love this black lace over the little foam. And yes, I think it's perfect for going out at night and wearing it on the pretty dresses. So the next set of bras which we have are called smooth lines. These are again another pair of t-shirt bras which have really thick and broad side wings which actually help you hide all your flaws from the side. Sometimes what happens is when we are a little on the heavier side and we wear tight bras, our little handles bulge out. So this is going to hide all that and give you a beautiful smooth finish, and everything is going to look perfectly fitted when you wear whatever outside over it. Also, Akriti, I feel it's going to be very comfortable wearing under a bodycon dress because it will give you a seamless finish and these edges of your bra wouldn't show. So guys, we have another set of smooth line bras with underwires in it. This is a little on the fancier side because this has very pretty lace side wings. This would also give you a very seamless finish and it won't show through your clothes a lot. So it's perfect even if you could wear this under t-shirts or tight fitted t-shirts or even the dresses as the previous one. Next up are fabric spacers. These bras basically have 2 layers of material put together with a very fine filament which is actually more breathable than a foam, and trust me, these bras are really lightweight and very thin, and these are extremely stretchable. So something like this would give you a very comfortable fit, and also we'd recommend you to buy something in nude, beige or skin color, because you could team them up with translucent clothes or white clothes with a very thin material, so you wouldn't want to or wouldn't need to wear a tube inside. You could just wear this and be good to go. So for all those who work out, we have the Underwire sportswear with moisture technology, and these would be very comfortable while working out because it will give you a good support because of its underwires. And guys, it's very important to wear a sports bra. We generally don't realize how important it is. You need a good support while working out, and sports bras are as important as wearing good fitted shoes during your workout. So make sure you buy them. So next up are these two strapless bras that we have for you. We can't tell you how important a strapless bra is because you could wear it with tube tops or tube dresses, and this one is more on the fancier side because it's laced throughout. And this one is very important because if you are someone who has really deep necks, you can wear this. It's got a transparent strap in the front, also a transparent back, so if you have anything backless, you can wear this with that. So yes, it's pretty useful. So moving on to the next collection, this is the Essential range, which comes with underwire, so it will give you a perfect support, and it's very lacy and very attractive, so you could probably gift it to somebody who's getting married. 2016 summer collection consists of nightwear sets or this pretty little dress in tropical print. The nightwear sets are beautiful and they're very comfortable. They come with very nice silky material so that you feel comfortable all night long. I personally feel that Marks & Spencer's products are a very high quality fashion, and they also provide an array of lingerie categories for all your needs. Also guys, I was really impressed by the expert tailoring and the finish that the products gave, and we would really recommend you guys to do visit the store to see the latest collection, and please do try out their fitting services because it's really going to help you get to know your shape, size and what to get for yourself. Also guys, if you have any other questions, please leave them down below and we'll answer to your questions individually. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pretty Little Things!